Are you looking for the best office desk chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best office desk chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Furmax Office Desk Chair. Our top choice is this office desk chair made by Furmax because of its ergonomic design and durable structure. There are two plastic lumbar supports which help maintain your posture even if you are sitting for prolonged periods. Any back pain you may experience can be relieved by the slightly concave design of the back. The chair's cushion has a 3-layer structure designed for maximum comfort and durability. The innermost layer is made of wood, the second layer is a high-density foam which is thick yet soft, and the third layer is a breathable mesh cloth. The chair has a strong 5-leg base which ensures stability and a maximum support capacity of 265 pounds. For easy transportation, wheels at the bottom are super helpful, not to mention the height is adjustable, and the chair can be rotated 360 degrees, without resistance. It is also available in 10 different colors, offering a variety of choices to suit your office theme, and putting this chair above the rest as best overall. Number 2. SIHOO Office Desk Chair. The SIHOO Office Desk Chair is another chair that provides great lumbar support. Designed to help relieve back pain and fatigue caused by sitting for prolonged periods, it offers a waist support that adapts to individual body weight and shape. It is made using high-quality breathable mesh, which ensures that you can stay cool and dry during long hours of sitting. Also, the mesh will not wear or tear easily. This headrest is adjustable and the back can be tilted at 3 different angles, allowing you to choose a comfortable positioning according to your preference. The height is also adjustable and the chair can be rotated 360 degrees. The maximum weight limit for this chair is 330 pounds and is ideal for people between the heights of 5'5" and 6'2". Number 3. Amazon Basics. What makes the Amazon Basics office desk chair different from others is its padding. It is upholstered in faux leather, which makes it extremely durable, and it will surely last you a long time. The armrests are also padded, making this chair even more ergonomic. The height, angle, and the back tilt can be adjusted according to your comfort and preference. Get smooth rolling mobility from the casters and stability from the 5-legged base. The look of this chair is extremely professional, which makes it ideal for several purposes. You can use it for your home office, workplace, and even conference rooms. 3 colors are available, so you can pick the one that suits your office theme the most. Also, assembly instructions are included, so you don't face any trouble putting it together. Number 4. Gabrylly Ergonomic. The Gabrylly office desk chair made it onto our list because of its adjustable armrests. They can be flipped upwards or downwards at the simple push of a button, making it easy to fit the chair under desks when not in use. This unique feature is not available in the other chairs we reviewed. This chair is also made with breathable mesh and provides lumbar support for your spine. The headrest, backrest, and height are also adjustable, making this chair even more ergonomic. Also, this office chair is ideal for a range of body types as it is larger than the other chairs on this list. However, the maximum weight limit is 280 pounds. The wheels are made of polyurethane, which means they can roll smoothly and quietly without damaging wood or tiled floor. The company provides a 2-year warranty and the assembly of this chair is very easy and quick. Number 5. Neo Office Desk Chair. The Neo Office Desk is extremely comfortable to sit on for long hours. The chair has double-layered cushions and a highly elastic pocket spring seat. The back is also cushioned to keep your spine protected from aches and fatigue. It is made with high-quality faux leather, which is skin-friendly, durable, and easy to clean. The surface is resistant to tears, scratches, stains, and fading, so the chair will definitely last you a long time. Padded armrests are also included to keep you on cloud 9. The base is stable, and the chair has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. The wheels are made from polyurethane, ensuring that they can roll smoothly on different surfaces. It is ideal for several reasons, including gaming, office use, and conference rooms. In fact, You can get a good deal if you buy in bulk.